Hi, and welcome to the Steamnation Railroad. Today, on December 15th, we see Newark Central J3A, we think it's a J3A, 322, also in the American Flyer Line scheme, pulling the newest addition to the Steamnation Railroad, 442-614. This specific 442 is currently a streamlined 462 Pacific. However, it will be de-streamlined and converted back to a 442 like it originally was. It will be fully restored to a operating condition, one of three 442 Atlantics on the Steamnation. As you may have seen, the front gondola has its trucks, which will be converted from 6 to 4. The other part has the boiler, and then the tender at the back, along with the trailing truck and drawbar already fixed. Also, one of the passenger cars that the train will also be pulling to make the entire 4-set train. The originals were to make it into a 440 engine, like the Pennsylvania 9687. However, it has been discovered that the Steamnation does not like to make more 440s than they already have. So a 442 Atlantic will be converted into 614. This particular 614 is not a C&O J3A Greenbrier, and it will run excursions with its matching passenger cars. During its test runs, however, it will be renumbered to 614T for the tests. Even though 614 is not aware of this area, as being based off in New York, and Philadelphia, and Baltimore, and technically Washington too, the engine will become acquainted with Northeast Illinois fairly quickly. Along with the fact that this 614 is fairly special, this locomotive will not be the only 614 on the railroad in about 100 years. As we can see here, the 614 boiler has somehow fallen off the train. However, not to worry, the boiler has been completely reinforced. It is quite hidden, but this engine is actually 3 times reinforced with its streamlining. Don't worry, Steamnation takes very good care. They already have 2 other streamlined 462s. Soon to be 3. And soon to be 3 442s. Coming soon. As a visual standpoint, here you get to see the behind-the-scenes look of the Steamnation Railroad with train elevators. Here we have the Baltimore and Ohio Royal Blue 350, also known as the Cincinnati. Below that we have the American Flyer Circus 353. Both sit on this elevator, along with several other trains. For more information on the coming up C&O, hey, it's not C&O, you gotta remember. What is it again? Well, it's just not C&O. Sorry about that. Not C&O 614 to be coming back to full operation. For more information, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. You could like the video if you truly like it. Be honest. 614T coming soon.